this is Nathalie from LineDotArrow from the Netherlands, and I'm here with a show and tell video. No, not a show and tell video, sorry, a flip through of two journals I made. These are a little bit smaller journals than I usually create, but they are both created with the ink stained archives. That is a collaboration I did together with Mandy from Sunflower and Doors. She did a part of the kit and I did, so these journals also have papers from her and also from the challenges we did, the free papers in our Facebook groups. And I created two a little bit smaller journals. It has embellishments, but it's not over embellished, so you can still put a lot in. I tried to make it different types, although they both have laces, and of course the blue papers. I'm going to start with this one, and this is the front side. It has stitching, laces, layering, a button, a vintage button. This is the spine, and over here is the back side. It has a huge doily on it, and I really like this. And it has a binding that is all the way through underneath the front panel and the spine, and on the back side it's underneath the doily. There is fabric also on the inside, so this is fabric, and over here is fabric. You could add pockets over here. There is some messy sewing. I wanted to keep it a little bit, well, grungy, and these are the papers that are in. Now I have to say, I think this one is upside down because it's a dictionary paper, and it seemed to be upside down. It definitely is. So just flipping is ledger. Another piece of coffee dye paper. This is for my half of the kit. This one too. More coffee dye paper. A little bit of vellum, a Dutch book page, some ripped paper. I created a belly band with a little booklet, and the booklet comes with the kit. And the kit is available in my Etsy with, it has 25 pages, and it comes in A4 size and US letter size. And I made a little notepad over here, and I have a little envelope with a closure here. It goes in here, and then on the bottom is also a small pocket, so this slides into the pocket. And then there is a wrap around closure, and I did some ink staining. I have a lot of these little things made on camera because these were fun to create on camera. I'm not sure if I have the whole making of the album on camera. This is from Mandy's kit. More ledger, blue, elastic binding so you can take things out. Food colored paper blue. And this is the other side of the previous papers that I already showed you. And then we have a library card in here, and this is movable with a little pocket over here. Some stitching, more papers, and a collaged pocket, a huge tag, and a small library card in here. And this is the second signature. It has sort of a fabric slash, what is it called? Vellum pocket, and then a huge pencil over here with a tag with a tuck spot. I put in the eyelets, and then this has a little ephemera piece in it and a clock, and it all goes in like so, and then this slides in here. Another piece of vellum, coffee dyed ledger, coffee dyed paper, a vintage not a vintage, but it's a rather old dictionary. More pockets over here with library cards tucked in here. Also elastic binding, of course. I have this one. And then over here another pocket with a library card, another index card and another tag. And this is the back side. So, and it closes like this. So this is journal number 1. And this is journal number 2. A little bit more romantic. Sorry, I should show you the front and the back side first. This is I have to stand up because I'm not sure. Yes, I'm in frame. This is the front side. I wrapped it around like this, but you can also wrap it around horizontal, of course. This is the same fabric that is on the journal, but you just see the fraying over here. I really like this. Layering, there's a lot going on. There's also embossed paper underneath. A little tab thingy. This is the spine. With a button, dangle and beads. And this is the back side. Sorry, there's some fraying going on. I'll have to cut it out later. And this is the closure. It has also beads. But like I said, you can also wrap it just like so over here, or very long, whatever you prefer. Front cover, 2 signatures. There's a letter on the inside and a little bit of green lace. And yes, let's flip and see. Tags, both are tags. Music paper, notebook paper. A little tuck spot over here, and there's a tuck spot over here too. This is also from Mandy's paper, and this is also from Mandy. Really had fun with the collab. A little specimen slide tucked in here. I think this is English book paper. Mandy's paper. This is from my part of the kit. This is also from my part, I think. Yes, I'm pretty sure it is. Coffee dyed paper, some vellum over here too. Butterfly page, more vellum. Coffee dyed paper. And also from Mandy. It's also from Mandy. Also from Mandy. I think this is from me. It's been a long time since I made the kit. And we did the collab. Yes, this is definitely mine. This is also mine. And over here there is a portrait and a large tag with a belly band. And it has another tag tucked underneath. And it slides in here. And there's a little fabric dangle, music paper, or book page, more vellum, coffee dyed paper, paper from my kit, also from my papers. Another tag. This is from Mandy's papers. I'm very sure of that. Coffee dyed. This is again from me. Also my paper. And this is a very busy paper. It's a belly band. It has a postcard. And then there are 2, 3 tuck spots. And another pocket over here with a tag and a ticket and a railway ticket. An old book page and music paper. And this is the final, the back side. And yeah, you can also just close it like so, wrap it and tie it over here. But I thought it would be nice to tie it over here. I thought that would be fun. So, 2 journals finished. I have finished more journals. I have finished 2 other ones. I will do flip throughs of these 2. But yes, these are for sale, but I'm not sure if I'm going to put them in my Etsy yet. In case you are wondering and you're interested, you can always PM me. Send me a private message, and yeah, let's see what happens. But yes, these are very cute. It's a very fun size and it's lightweighted, so it's not heavy already, and also lots of room to fill up the journals. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked the video. I hope you liked the journals. Yes, like I said, they are for sale, and if you want to have them or maybe want to check if they are available still, you can always send me a PM. And yeah, this is it. So yes, thank you so much. Stay safe, stay creative, and I'll see you in the next video. Greetings from the Netherlands. Bye bye. Bye.